Okay, so I want us to proceed. One of the elements or advice that I usually give is whenever you want to start a new project, usually create a directory for it for purposes of usage. This is not to mix your data, your project files with other projects that you have out there. So, for example, we have this project which is unsaved, and as I can see, of course, it's telling me untitled. So, I would like to create a working directory or working folder in my computer. And how I do that, I can basically go to project and I want to save. So I'll come here and say for training purposes, I want this to call it introduction QGIS course. That's it. So now from there, now I have my project saved, and if I look at my project, I can basically see that now I have my training folder, and under project I can see my introduction to QGIS project. So in this project directory, this is where I'll have all my projects. I usually structure my folders or my directories in a way that you can use them easily. So I have a whole training folder. Depending on what is there, you can basically find it and use it.